everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A53 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So, I don't know what happened. First of all, we have to enter the settings and now let's scroll in order to find the general management. Now let's tap on language. And as you can see, this is the list of all previously added languages. We've got only English right now. So let's tap on add a language. And here we've been transferred to the list of languages which are suggested by Samsung. So no worries if you cannot find your language here. Just tap on the three dots icon and tap on all languages. And as you can see, it is much wider. So all you have to do is to simply find the one you like to set and tap on it. So I will pick this one, and here your device will ask you if you really want to change the language. So just tap on set as default, and as you can see, it has been immediately applied right here. But unfortunately, probably the menu will not change because, as you can see, it may not be available in some apps. So let me edit it, let me remove it, so I can show you how to remove the language. All you have to do is to simply tap on edit, mark the language you'd like to remove, and tap on remove. So let me again add a language and let's pick, for example, German. As you can see, sometimes you will also be able to pick the region. So just tap on the one you like to use and again set as default. As you can see, it will immediately appear on the very first position of this list. And basically after a second, the whole system, the whole menu will be displayed in the chosen language. You can change the language also if you've got, for example, 2 or 3 added here, just by tapping on it. And probably here we've got the apply option. So let's tap on it. And as you can see, we've got the English applied. So actually this is it. This is how to change system language in your Samsung Galaxy A53. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.